In today's video, we are going to tell you 20 essential Hindi phrases. Let's start with the basics, which you must know. First is of course hello. Mostly hello is used, and also namaste. Kaise ho aap? This is how are you, which you can ask to someone similar to your age or an elderly person. To which you can respond ठीक हूँ या अच्छा हूँ. Yes in Hindi is हाँ, no is nahi. And of course, thank you is dhanyawad. Bye is used as bye. You can just say bye. And of course, we say milte hai, which means we'll meet soon or we'll meet again to somebody who you are saying bye to.
Next set of phrases is for direction, like asking for direction or knowing about it, because in Hindi it's really very important. First phrase you need to know is ye kahan hai. It means where is this. So you can always point it out at something that you want to go to, or if you cannot pronounce a name, so you can just show in the Google Maps and say ye kahan hai. Next is kis taraf. So kis taraf is in which way to go for. Everyone who speaks Hindi in India understands right and left, so you can just say kis taraf hai, right or left, and just go in that way. Next is chal ke ja sakte hai kya, because here you really have to ask whether it's at a walking distance or it is you need to take a train or a auto. So you can ask chal ke ja sakte hai kya, ya auto mein, or in auto, that is rickshaw. And some simple vocab that you need to know for direction is aage, which is ahead, piche, which is behind, and samne, which is opposite. Moving forward, there are some phrases of appreciation that you can say in Hindi if you like something or want to appreciate of some things. Ye kitna sundar hai. This is what you say when you like something or feel that this thing is beautiful. So you can say ye kitna sundar hai. Sundar is beautiful. To express your opinion on liking something, you can say mujhe ye pasand aaya. In present tense, you can say mujhe ye pasand hai. And if you always want to be on a safer side, then you can say acha tha or acha hai. That means it's nice or it was nice. Or if you want to say you do not like it, then you can say mujhe ye pasand nahi hai.
Lastly, some phrases which will be useful in general. First one is yahan ka speciality kya hai, which means what is special here. So if you go to a restaurant or any new city, you can just ask what is the speciality, yahan ka speciality kya hai. Next one is kitna time or, which if you are waiting for something, you can just ask kitna time or, that means how much more do you have to wait. To introduce yourself, you can just say mera naam, what your name is. मेरा नाम कस्तूरी है और मैं यहाँ से आया हूँ. मैं इंडिया से आया हूँ. और from which country you come, or you can say मैं यहाँ से आई हूँ. So that was it from our end. If you liked the video, do not forget to subscribe and share, and let us know what you learned today. Bye.